So how do you have your say about the amendment? And who can write a submission to an amendment? Well, basically anybody who feels like they're affected can put in a submission. And what should you write in your submission? Well, it's really important to be very clear if you are supporting the amendment or if you're supporting just specific parts of the amendment. Just state them clearly. Or if you're objecting to all of the amendment or parts of the amendment. And it is important to remember that submissions are public documents and they can be viewed by anybody who wants to look at the amendment documents. If a submission is going to be made available on our website, we will make sure your personal details are removed for your privacy. So if you want to put in a submission, you can use your own way of putting one in, or you can use the submission form that is available below on this webpage. And you need to email your submission to info@surfcoast.vic.gov.au and mark it for my attention, Barbara Noker, Principal Strategic Planner, to do with Amendment C133. And you can also put it in the mail and again, mark it for my attention.